Welcome back to the channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to create new blue pink gradient text. Open your document and type bold text in white. Then go to the gradient overlay in styles. Click the gradient editor and select two vibrant tones, pink and cane, and add an extra stop in between from smooth blending. Set the gradient style to linear. Change the angle to 45 degrees for dynamic flow. Increase opacity to 100% for vivid color. Add a subtle outer glow with a matching hue. Duplicate the text and blur the bottom layer slightly. It will enhance that glowing neon effect. Now set the blending mode to screen.